Look, we got Itty Bitty, who's the mama cat. There's Paul. Who's that? I think that's Tiptoe. And Angel. How cute is that? Thank you. Thank you, pretty girl. These are good kitty cats. Oh, there's Nebby. What the fuck is on your face? What the fuck? You've been sleeping in the mud. You don't touch me, man. You're crazy. What's up, itty bitty? Mama cat. Oh, check it out. Badass ma. You're getting there. They usually just have babies when it's negative temperatures and cold as shit out.